Hi, this is Alan Tawshunsky of Tawshunsky Law Firm, and I wanted to talk to you for a couple of minutes about proposed regulations that were issued by HHS this morning. It'll just be time for a very brief, high-level overview of the regulations, which are fairly long, so we're just going to cover a couple of the main topics. The regulations are designed to deal with a problem that the exchanges have experienced over the past few years, which is that the number of people that have actually signed up for coverage is smaller than was expected, and the pool of people is not as healthy as expected. This has caused insurers to have difficulty making a profit on the exchanges, and has also led some of them to withdraw from the exchanges. Now, the HHS proposed regulations, if finalized, would be designed to tighten up on some of the rules and thereby hopefully improve the risk pool in the exchanges. HHS asked for comments by March 7th, as they only gave 3 weeks, which indicates they're looking to finalize these pretty quickly. I think they're under considerable time pressure because insurers are going to have to make their decisions this spring as to whether to participate in the exchanges and what to offer. So turning to the regs, one change that's being made is to the open enrollment period for 2018. Currently, it's scheduled to run from November 1st of this year until January 31st of 2018, and you can sign up anytime during that period. The proposed regs would shorten that to November 1st through December 15th instead of January 31st. This would actually, presumably reduce the number of people who sign up because you've got a shorter period, but the hope is that it would lead to a healthier pool of people in the exchanges and thereby lower premiums. Another change has been made, a group of changes to tighten up on the special enrollment period. The one I want to focus on is that in many cases the current practice has been to allow individuals who claim to be eligible for a special enrollment period, for example, because they got married during the year or added a dependent otherwise or had other events occur that entitle you to a special enrollment, so they would come into the exchange during the year even if they didn't sign up at open enrollment. HHS, the regs say that they plan to verify all of those cases and to make sure that the people who claim to be eligible for special enrollment actually are. There are also a number of other changes to special enrollment designed to tighten up on some of the rules that I won't go through at this point. And then a further point that HHS is planning to do is to allow greater flexibility to offer lower actuarial value plans on the exchange. Currently, there are metal levels on the exchange. For example, the bronze level is 60% actuarial value. There's a tolerance allowed under the current regulations of 2% up or down, so that a plan with 58 to 62% actuarial value would qualify as bronze. And the same thing for silver, you can do 68 to 72 and so forth. The HHS regulations would allow a little greater flexibility on the lower side so that you would be able to vary from, let's say for bronze, 60% by up to 4% down, but still only up to 2% up, so that now instead of 58 to 62, a plan with a 56% actuarial value could qualify as bronze. Those are the main provisions that I wanted to talk about, and there are others there that are available in the reg.